be walking you through how to develop a freelance platform like Upwork and Fiverr, a complete solution, a complete website. In this situation, by the time you get to the end of the video, you'll be able to develop a complete website for freelancers to get hired, and also for those who are looking for freelancers to post freelancing gigs. Look at this cool website, very cool, very demure, very perfect. It's a job posting platform for freelancers, and anyone, anyone can own this kind of platform and charge to get commission per task completed, and also earn recurring commission and earnings. That's the way Fiverr and Upwork ends. You can become a CEO of freelancing platform within minutes with this ready made for you platform. And if you check the link in the description, can help you set it up. I can help you set up this kind of platform. See my payment plans for maintenance, to handhold you, to do it for you. Basically, it's all in the DM. So let's quickly explore it and look at how this platform works. As you can see here, you see if you want to hire, it's there. If you want to work, it's there. Everything is perfect. It also has an admin panel to make it so cool. That's an admin panel. It has an admin panel. It has everything, basically everything. So let's quickly explore the admin panel. Look at the admin panel. Use admin panel to see manage your users, those that have gigs, the projects that have been completed, the freelancers that you have on the platform, the reviews, everything. It's a fully loaded platform. The projects, all the projects submitted, finished, services that you render, verification requests, freelancers that you have, everything. This platform is robust, complete, and ready made for you to get started with your freelancing journey. So for you to do this kind of platform, you can use the link in the description to hire me to set it up for you. Now that is one way to do it, or you just follow this video and do the setup yourself. I recommend you hire me to do it. And also, the cool thing about this particular platform is that it's a ready-made for you platform, but it's quite complicated when it comes to setting up. And that is the if you are someone who is a little bit tech savvy, you should be able to understand the walkthrough I'll be walking you through to the end of this video. If you are not really tech savvy, you might not understand what I'm going to be doing, but in the recent, just follow along and you should be able to enjoy this platform. It's really full, it's perfect, it's demure, it has everything you need. Basically, it's cool. So you can check it out and explore it and see how this platform works, basically. So here it is. So let's get started. For you to get the script that uses this platform, visit the link in the description. It's an affiliate link. You'll be able to buy this script that will set up all these things for just $50. Use the link in the description. It's an affiliate link. I get some bonus from using it. This is to get this particular script. Now once you have gotten it and then you've downloaded it, you get a file that you download, and then you'll be setting up on hosting platform. For you to buy hosting, go to this platform called Asura Hosting. You get unlimited hosting for as low as $2. Unlimited space, unlimited everything. For a robust platform like that, you need a very high unlimited platform. So for $2, you can buy this plan for $2 for hosting, which is $2 per month, to $2.99 per month. You can buy it. It has unlimited SSL, unlimited iNotes, unlimited websites, unlimited database. Or you could buy this plan, this recommended one, this $5, which is the best one that will make it smooth and work perfectly fine. So ensure you buy this plan and ensure you pick the cPanel plan, because that's what I'll be using to work with it. So buy your cPanel there, and then buy your domain also here, and then connect the domain and hosting together. Now after that is done, you can also, if you don't know how to go through this process of connecting domain, all of this, there's a done for you complete system plan in the link description. You can check it out. Then I'll be able to help you set up everything. You don't need to go through all this stress. With as low as I think $150 to $200, I'll be able to set up the whole system for you without stress. Just you shoot me a DM that you need this platform completely ready. to use, and then I also give you a maintenance plan for between $50 to $30 every month to help you maintain the platform, keep it online. Basically, that's the basic plan to keep it online. So shoot a DM to me, and then I'll be able to help you with that. So now let's quickly go into the video and go through the setup process. I'll be quite fast, and you can watch my old videos to try and catch up. It's almost similar, but then as usual, there's always unique differences in all of the installation process. So here we have our cPanel. Our domain is connected and our hosting is connected. So we go to the root folder, and then you upload the file by clicking upload. By clicking the upload here, you'll be able to upload the file, select the file, and then upload it. I already upload mine, so here's the file here. So the next thing you want to do is what? Extract the file. So I'll go ahead and extract the file here. It might take a bit of time. So, and then extract it, and then the next thing you want to do is enter the folder, and then this zip file here, install zip, you unzip it as well, extract it, then just extract it here, and then you should have your unzip file here, install file here. So once you have your install file here, that is here, the install zip file, just do me the favor of just selecting all and then move the file to the actual root folder. So here's my own root folder. Yours might be the public underscore HTML. So here's my root folder here, and the root folder has the whole thing here. And the next thing is just go to install the platform. So you can just go to your domain. For mine is this, then slash install, and then that should run an install process. So mine should run an install process. So there's an error it's showing me, so let me quickly fix that error, and then I'll be back. Okay, now I fixed the issue, and here we are, and then we can start inputting the details. So and then it updates, gives us an error again. Let me quickly fix this error again. All right, we are back here. So once you input the domain to install, and then the install process will start, and then the necessary purchase code and everything, you need to input them, and then you need to check them, and then during the software we'll check if the files are needed to be into .env and have write permission. These things are in the env file that you set up. These are things I did, and then the write permissions, I did that as well. So let's move on to the next steps. So here's the next steps. After you go to next, and then to show the version, and then you check everything to be sure everything is checked, and then the next step, you input your purchase code. So for this place as well, I have to pause and input that, and then continue again. So next step is to input your host name, username, and database password. So here you have to go to your database and create your database on the cPanel. Just search for DB. I don't want to interfere with that part where I'm working on. So then you create a database. I already created my own database. I'll just be picking the database details I'll be using, and then copy it into the database. So I'm going to be using this database user and password. So I'm going to paste them in the installation wizard. Then the password here. Then the host, let's call it local host. Local host. Then continue. Now after continuing, the next thing is to import my SQL. So there's an SQL file that comes on the file that comes with the file that you downloaded from Code Canyon. So that's the file you'll be importing and be putting here. So just so I don't show too much of my file, I'll import it, then I'll continue the video. It's a very simple straightforward step. All right, the import is done. Now we can set up our admin name, and then we give it an email, admin email, give it a password for the admin, and give it name, just give it any name, and then which currency you want to collect, you put it there. Then you go to the next steps. Now the next steps, you have successfully done the install, and to give you the demo account for test purpose. Then you can decide to log into front end or the admin panel, whichever one you want. Now we are ready to log into the front end and the admin panel. So that will open new tabs, and then with the new tabs we're able to get the front end. You can see the domain here is already there. And then the only left for you to start customizing and using it. This is the front end, you can put your image, and then this is the admin panel, ready to work and start earning money for you, ready to use your own freelance platform. So once that is done, let's log in to be a freelancer, see how freelancers are. First, let me log out as admin. So let's log into freelance dashboard and see what they will see as freelancers. Then we'll also log into clients to see what clients will see as clients. Okay, this is admin login page. That's a mistake. Mm. Mm. Oh shit, I don't want to close that yet. I want to log in as a normal user, so can experience the login for normal users. So this is freelancer login. Login to see freelancer dashboard. Password is 123456. So we check that. Mm, user probably doesn't exist. All right, just to confirm this, I can just log into the admin panel, and then we'll be able to access that afterwards. You can just normally create account. Probably the account doesn't exist. I just normally create account, and then we'll get to see it. So let me quickly run to the admin panel and check things from there to be sure this account does exist. So I just log into the admin panel in the account that I create. So we have the admin panel here. So let me check freelancer to see if there's any freelancer with that username. So you can see here there is no freelancer without user details there. That's why it's not working. So, and then if I go to client side to see if there's any client with that details, so it's not there. So I have to just create one. Once I create it, then it will appear here and then be able to log in. So let me just create an account as a user normally. Just create an account. Then with the account, we can easily access the panel. So I have to log out from the admin panel first for me to access that. Then I can easily go and create account slash login directly. Then create account. So you can just create account and then as a freelancer or as a client, and then we can use the account to log in. Hmm, hmm. Okay, it's under email. So you can see I've just created an account as now. Normally I'm supposed to choose a package, but this package is not yet set up in the admin panel, so I have to set that up in the admin panel. So I wouldn't want this long video to be too long, but you already get the gist. So that's how it works. So you can try it out and then you can be ready to start it. If you need support, if you need anything to do to set this up, just send a DM. There's a link in the description to set it up, the whole thing for you up. And then if you need custom implementation, customization to make it work, I'm in the DM also. You can just go to the description and use the IAME link in the description to check me out and to reach out to me, and then I'll be able to help you set up this as well. Do any custom implementation you want. And if you want to build a different system that is different from this, you have other ideas you want to use to do, or you want to completely rebuild the system. Like we turned this particular theme, this Trimate theme, to a completely Netflix. If you look at this website now, this is a recent project I just did. So you can see it's showing Netflix and everything, but in the real sense, what was used to develop this is having the Netflix view. What was used to develop this was a um stream it theme. Unquote, you can check it out. Okay, and so it was used to develop this. So this is one of the things we can do for you to build the whole system for you. You can see it. So check it out and DM for more inquiry. So that's it for now. I'm waiting for you the DM. I'll be waiting for you to check out the description. The other affiliate stuff that we do have other products that we sell as well. Bulk marketing software, bulk email software that are in the description. Check it out and then reach out. I'll see you next one. Bye for now.